guys a little tour. Welcome to my house tour, I guess. So this is coming in through the garage. You have the utility room where the washer and dryer goes. We have storage over there. We have tons of storage in the garage. Tons of space. Here's the kitchen. We're bringing things in. Say hey, Mom.
What's up, y'all? I'm so tired. I am wore out.
We are tired. We've been on go all day.
Yeah.
So this is like the
all
little
week.
Yeah, the dining area. We have a little patio back there. We do have a pantry, which is really nice, extra storage. This is the living room. All of our luggage over there. I wanted to get some views of the house before we bring everything in. You can go upstairs. Right here is the front door. When you come in, it's this little area right here. You have a half bath. Let's turn the light on. You just have a toilet, sink. You walk out from here, have a closet right here, just like a extra space. You keep going, have the living room. Now going upstairs. Oh. This is the first bedroom. This is going to be Skylar's bedroom. Nice size. Her closet. And they haven't put the light fixtures up there yet. I don't think you can really see that the light fixtures aren't up there. You come out of Skylar's room. You can look down the steps, kind of have a little peek into the living room. If you walk down the hall, right here you have a closet in the hall. You also have the upstairs bathroom where you have a sink, all of this counter space, all of this storage down here. You have a mirror, and of course in the mirror you have like storage in there. And then in this, like, you can close this door off, and here's the toilet and the shower. And here's the master bedroom. So it's a nice size. And we have a walk-in closet, which is really, really, really nice. But that is the end. It's a quick house tour. I just wanted you guys to see the house that we're going to be living in. So many of you guys asked for this video, so I just wanted to give you guys a little glimpse of it. And of course, stay on our journey of us decorating our new home. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you go ahead and hit that button. I'll see you guys in my next video.